Students, in the previous lecture we had started the subtopic homogeneous differential equations of the chapter differential equations. We have discussed only two questions related with that, in which I had taught you that how can you check whether the equation is the homogeneous equation or not, and then we have to solve it. You also had seen that we have applied the formula of the integrations, concepts of the integrations used in them. We are continuing the topic today, that is a homogeneous differential equation. I am discussing few more questions with you. See the question number 7 of the exercise 9.5, that is the question number 7. It is x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y dx is equal to y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x dy. First of all, we have to arrange these terms. So, we take here x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y upon x y sin y upon x plus minus x cos y upon x dy by dx. First of all, we have to check whether the given equation is homogeneous or not. So, let us take let f x y is equal to y into x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x. If we take here f of lambda x and lambda y, it becomes lambda y lambda x cos lambda y upon lambda x plus lambda y sin lambda y upon lambda x upon lambda x lambda y sin lambda y upon lambda x minus lambda x cos if we take lambda common from here, it becomes lambda square y x cos y upon x, cancelling lambda from here, plus y sin y upon x upon lambda square x, then y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x. It becomes lambda to the power 0 y x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x upon x times of y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x, which is equal to lambda to the power 0 f x y. It means that the equation is homogeneous because we have the power of lambda as 0. Therefore, given differential equation is homogeneous. Now, we substitute y as vx, differentiating both sides with respect to x dy by dx is equal to v into 1 x dv over dx. So, by first you can write vx x cos vx upon x plus vx plus into sin vx upon x upon x, y is vx sin vx upon x minus x cos vx upon x, v plus x dv over dx, cancelling x from here. Now, taking x as common, cos v plus sin v into sin v upon x as common, v sin v minus x cos v, v plus x dv over dx. Cancelling x, it becomes v cos v minus plus v square sin v, v sin v minus cos v minus v is equal to x plus x dv over dx, taking v to the left side, taking LCM, v cos v, v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v, v sin v minus cos v. Cancelling v square sin v, 2 times of x dv over dx, you can write dx upon x on this side, and v sin v minus cos v upon 2v cos v dv. Integrating both sides, we get integration of dx upon x. If we break it, we get cancelled, half of tan v minus v minus v. You can 2 to this side, इधर ले आइए, tan v minus v. It is twice of log x, log of sec v minus v square upon 2 plus c. Placing the value of v is y upon x, so 2 log x log sec y upon x, y square upon x square is 2x square plus c. That is the required solution, right? If we take, say, question number 15 here, in the question number 15, it is given to us 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx, when the value of y is 2 and x is equal to 1. So arranging it, it's minus 2x square dy by dx minus 2xy minus y square, taking minus n as common, cancelling it, is 2xy, y square upon x square, 2x square. We don't have to check here, so we place y is equal to vx dy by dx, v plus x dv over dx. Therefore, by first it becomes v plus x dv over dx, 2x into vx, v square x square, 2x square x square as common, 2v plus v square upon 2x square minus v, x dv over dx, 2v plus v square minus 2v upon 2, cancelling 2v from here. So 2 upon v square dv is equal to dx upon x, integrating both sides. It's 2 upon v square dx upon x, v to the power minus 2, integration becomes v to the power minus 1 upon minus 1. So it can be written as upon v with a negative sign, log x plus c minus 2x upon y plus c is equal to log of x. Now we have to place the values. Put y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, minus 2 into 1 upon 2 plus c is equal to log of 1. So minus 1 plus c is 0, c is equal to 1. Therefore minus 2x upon y plus 1 is equal to log x. In the question number 16, that is a multiple choice question given a homogeneous differential equation of the form dx upon dy h upon xy. If we have the form of dx upon dy and moreover x upon y, then we have to place x as vy and then differentiate dx over dy, v plus v into 1 and y into dv over dy. तब ऐसे करेंगे. तो ऑप्शन नहीं पूछा हुआ है. There are 4 options. What do we place here? Y is equal to vx, v is equal to yx, x is equal to vy और x is equal to v. So we have to place, क्या रखेंगे यहाँ पे? हम x को vy रख के चलेंगे. ये ऑप्शन आएगा. That is the C option here. In the question number 17, which of the following is homogeneous differential equation? कौन सी इसमें homogeneous differential equation है, ये हमें find out करना है. तो you have to check the degree of each of the term. मैं थोड़ा discuss करता हूँ आपके साथ. 17th है, if you take the A part, 4x 6y plus 5 dy minus 3y plus 2x plus 4. If we have to check whether directly whether the equation is homogeneous or not, तो कैसे check करेंगे directly इसको? A degree is 1, power 1, A is power 0, it is not homogeneous. Homogeneous में क्या होगा? सबकी power same निकलेगी. और देखते हैं. तो ये homogeneous नहीं है. If we see the B option में दिया हुआ है xy dx, xy dx minus x cube plus y cube. Here the power is 1 of x is 1 and the power of y is also 1. तो multiply power add होती है, it becomes 2. और यहाँ power कितनी है? 3. यहाँ power कितनी है? 3. Addition के अंदर power same रहेगी, that is 3. But in the case of the multiplications, power get added. तो यहाँ power 2 आ रही है, यहाँ power 3 आ रही है. It is not homogeneous. C. x cube plus 2y square into dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. यहाँ power कितनी है? 3. Here power is 2. वहाँ power कितनी है? 1 and 1, 2. It is also not homogeneous. In the D option, y square dx minus is plus x square minus xy minus y square dy is equal to 0. Power कितनी है? 2. Here power is 2. This 1 and 2. Here power is 2. All have the degree as 2. Therefore it is homogeneous. तो ये डायरेक्ट इससे चेक कर सकते हैं आप whether the given differential is homogeneous or not. Okay. So this is all about the homogeneous differential equations. You have to complete exercise 9.5. In the next lecture, we will continue the topic with another subtopic, that is a linear differential equation. Till then, thank you.